example. Less earlier, I recorded the Napoleon Hill's self-confident formula. It gave me some inspiration. I like to share, so you help us little bit understand ourselves deeper. For example, many people have this unworthy feeling. We don't know. It's not on the surface, but what is like this? Okay, I will use examples. For let me using my one like when I was little, uh, my parents never taught me not stealing. Was for me was properly don't know is wrong, but not let people see. My mom told me I with my cousin we steal things like apple. The people who in the we grew up in a countryside. And later, when I know that's wrong, I feel guilt and still have the habit. For example, if I go to a hotel, they're free. Yes, we paid the comb could be a brush, toothbrush, something like that. Yeah, shampoo thing. I don't even use it, but I take it. But if really, do I really need it? If to really think about it, yes. I know I paid. It's not stealing, but if let me choose consciously, I would not like to take them. I feel don't need them. Why I take them? You know, it's really this is the very very sneaky feeling of isn't that unworthy? If we're worthy, we are provided anyway. Why I was stealing? If you think about it, it's like not enough. I don't have enough, so I need to steal. I'm not worthy. I'm not giving all these things. So I need to steal. Then that would be secret punishment because I'm not worthy. I'm not enough. So I need to do things too much. That's unworthy feeling, like doing things overeating and not doing exercise and not doing whatever require me to be very successful, because successful and health probably in the subconscious mind is worthy, and success and the riches is worthy, but I'm not worthy, so I'm not deserve that, so I'm not it's this much, so it's not matching with the worthy, not worthy too, it's like conflict. So I have to do things to match the unworthiness. Can you see, readers? Can you see, dear readers, how big this is? Ha! You can create a affirmation, okay? I am worthy. You will our mind like writing these stories. Yeah, all is our stories. But we do need to see what is block us to be fully happy, because we're supposed to have everything in our life as mere think that's our nature. Because we are everything. We need to dig out all the roots that's not or finding the root, okay? But it is there. It's not beneficial. Can we um, build a good relationship with them, knowing they are there? But we need to build an all relationship with everything. Is harmony. It's okay. Asking part of you what you need to do to satisfy that part. Okay, there's practice for doing it. You just realize for now, okay? And just by realize you already deserve the roles. We have practice in our class. Okay, just help you to see what could be putting us down and make us feeling like pulled by different directions. One side us pulling want to be successful, another side putting the worst to be successful. So which make us feel very very frustrated. Okay, frustrated. We are finding we have rules inside ourselves. Thank you for listening. Just sharing my mind. Have a good day. Thank you.